On January 24th, 1984, Apple Computer introduced Macintosh. And we saw why 1984 was like 1944. Assault. Landing. The first beachhead of freedom on a vast continent of oppression. The start of a long fight for liberation. A fight against all odds. And leading the forces of freedom is Macintosh.
Macintosh is where it's at. We're gonna get the big blues ass. Sound off. 1, 2, 7,
Troops of the fighting 32nd, we have taken the beachhead. But now it's time for our next assault. The enemy is here, and here, and here. We shall advance. Millions are held captive by enemy machinery. Wasting hour upon hour, processing processes, thinking about thinking, accomplishing nothing.
Oh, the rats.
Yes, they have the plague, but we have the cure. We have a vision of a new kind of office, the Macintosh office. One Mac can change a person's way of life. Imagine the power of many Macs tied together in the Macintosh office. Imagine the power of Mac offices multiplying around the globe. The power to smash the big blue monoblob.
How are we gonna do it, sir?
That's an excellent question, Corporal. Why,
They call me Fat Bits, sir.
we'll fight him in the office and the classroom and the desktop with superior weapons, hardware, newly developed ammo, software, and lots of it. Remember, the enemy is big, but we are smart. They are the elephant. We are the mouse. One more thing. Let us never forget the glorious victories of the past. World War I, World War II, 2+, 2E, and 2C.
What about 3?
We don't talk about 3.
Farewell.
Okay. I'll see your 6502, and I'll raise you a 68,000.
Jim.
We're playing poker here.
Dear Mother.
Homesick, Private?
Kinda nervous, Sarge. You think we'll make it back?
Sure. Hey, where are you from, soldier? Brooklyn?
No, Sarge. Cupertino.
I think they love me, Sergeant, especially the commandos.
Colonel, the general's here.
Oh, sure. And Mac has software.
Sir, he really is here.
Oh, General. General, it's so good of you to join us.
Isn't it?
Shall we begin? Five 12s?
Ready, sir.
Light riders?
Check.
Apple bus?
Roger.
Manufacturing?
Yes, sir.
Distribution?
Ready to roll.
Marketing?
On target, sir.
Sales?
Gold bricking in Hawaii, sir.
Get them back. Now.
Software?
Applications in quantity, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. General Kapoor said we'd have it 1, 2, 3, and General Gates gave me his word.
Excellent.
For you, sir, the chief.
General, you and your brave fighting force have a rendezvous with destiny. Your battle will be long, it will be hard, but it will be won. I am sure your victory will be great. Insanely great.
Go get them, Blue Busters.
Let's go, move it!
Okay, you guys, get that stuff off the truck.
Let's go, move it, move it!
Some of the apple butter. Light Rider. Okay, let's get this Light Rider. Apple butter. Let's go. Okay, some of the apple butter.
Let's go get them.
Hello, I am Macintosh.
And so the Fighting 32nd begins its rendezvous with destiny. The battle will be long, and it will be hard, but it will be won. For the commandos of the Fighting 32nd have on their side the most powerful weapon on Earth. An idea whose time has come.